I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical when I heard that Michael Cheney was coming out with a new system all about AI. You see, I've worked with Michael. I love Michael. He's a wonderful guy, very, very smart person. But when we talked one-on-one, my feeling was that he didn't think a whole lot of AI. He thought it wasn't all that great. And to see him coming out with something on AI, I was like, really, Michael? That's what you're doing? And then I actually got to play with his new AI Millionaire system. And I got to tell you something, I am blown away. You're going to love what this thing does. It is completely not what I thought it was going to be. It is actually a suite of tools that you can actually use to channel Michael's millionaire mind into making you money. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of AI Millionaire. Okay. So we're looking right now at the sales page for AI Millionaire. Now, of course, Michael is already a millionaire many times over without AI, but he's figured out how to use AI to create the ultimate system to basically kind of clone his mind and offer you the ability to actually start making money off of his own system. It's a really, really an incredible system because it's not see, when I saw it, I was like, okay, fine. So you're going to give me a course on how to use ChatGPT. Like that's nice, you know. Don't get me wrong. I love ChatGPT. I think it's great, but I also know quite a bit about ChatGPT. But it turned out he actually created his own AI tools and gives you access to his AI tools. They're fast. They work really, really well. I was super impressed with them. I'm going to show you how that all works in just a moment. But of course, this would not be a Man in the Hat review without me giving you a truly bonkers bonus.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Yes, yes, I know you're the Man in the Hat also, but right now we're talking about me, not about you. So go back to, robbing rich people and whatever else it is that you do. Okay, but seriously, check this out. These are some incredible, incredible bonuses that I have for you. So first of all, a new AI system which will allow you to create a complete website in 60 seconds flat. You answer a few questions and it builds the website for you. Not done yet though. After all, this is one of my reviews and you know I'm going to give you a truly incredible, incredible bonus, and it's definitely not going to be crap.
What a load of crap.
Didn't I just say it's not crap? And who are you to be arguing with me anyway? Trust me, this is not crap. Definitely not crap, guys. Definitely good stuff. These are all vetted, quality stuff that I think you're going to love. Another AI system I found which lets you spy your competitors and actually find out how to rank as well as or better than they do. This is so important because this is going to give you real value to be able to take a look at people who are doing well in your business and steal their traffic. But I'm still not done yet. You know, the biggest problem with AI is that a lot of AI content, well, it sounds like AI content. What if you could actually take AI content and make it more human sounding, where it actually sounds like something that a person wrote? That's what this thing does. It actually beats AI detection. I actually tested it myself, found some content that was AI written, ran it through. First time I checked it, it detected 49% probable AI. The second time, 0% probable AI. Really, really impressive stuff. Let's go on because after all, as an entrepreneur, you want to be able to get the most value, and I'm going to give it to you.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you. That's very, very kind of you, Liz. I appreciate it. But let's get back to this now, okay? Thank you. Anyway, okay, but seriously, check this out. How about a new AI that I found which will customize, which will write custom topics on with 100 plus different templates. This is very, very cool stuff. Really, really incredible. But I'm still not done yet. How about perfect headlines every single time? This is a new AI system I found that's totally free, that is going to create perfect headlines for you every single time that you run it. You just tell it what you want it to be about, and it creates the headlines for you. They're going to get you more clicks and opens. How about one that is going to create transcripts for you of content in 97 different languages. Simply feed it the video and it does it for you. And by the way, it is completely free. Okay, you don't even have to sign up in order to use it. They do have additional features if you do sign up, but you don't have to. You can just use it for free if you want to. They do have a paid option as well, but basically just gives you access to like bigger files if you want to send up bigger files. Really, really cool stuff. How about another video that I made showing you how to use plugins for ChatGPT. This is really, really cool. I'm going to show you exactly how those work and how to make the most out of them. Still not done yet though. How about another system that is going to allow you to send emails directly through Gmail? And because about 7% of all emails are actually sent through Gmail, the most popular email system there is, this gives you the best open rates. It's perfect if you get starting out because you can put together a small list and use this system to be able to do it. But I'm not done yet. How about another AI system which will create Instagram posts for you? So it's going to create comments on Instagram posts for you. Basically, the idea is that it's going to automatically create these things for you so you can actually start driving more traffic off of Instagram to your videos. But we're still not done yet. No, we are not done. We still have even more to go because after all, as you know, I love to give out bonuses. And when it comes to something from Michael, who I am over the moon about, I think he's a great guy. I really want to give you the most insane bonuses possible. So I really went all out this time. Check this out. Got 3 more bonuses for you that Michael has made himself that he's allowing me to give out to you. So first of all, how about how to use Quora to turn on a traffic switch and flood your website with traffic? This is very cool stuff. He's going to show you detailed information, exactly how to do it. He's also going to show you how to create your own AI assistant. And finally, he's going to show you some incredible features that you probably didn't know about in ChatGPT. Even I didn't know about it. I use ChatGPT all the time. I really love ChatGPT. It's great. I didn't know about these things. He shares some incredible insights. These are not available from everybody. You have to be one of Michael's inner circle of affiliates to be able to get those. And of course, the other bonuses are exclusively from me. Nobody else will have these for you. And all of my bonuses, of course, do come with full PLR rights. And by the way, the whole thing, $9.95. That's it. You get everything included. I do not do this thing where you have to buy additional upgrades in order to be able to get the bonuses. You get all my bonuses included for the $9.95 price. Everything is there for you. Now, I want to show you the members area here. So it's not what I thought it was, because I thought he was just going to show you how to use different tools. Yes, he has his own tools built right into the software. You simply access the software and start using it. So I went and I tested it out on AI Millionaire. And so I put in the website for AI Millionaire, and it asks you a few quick questions. So some of your hobbies, pets, current or former job. I'm an ordained rabbi, if you didn't know that. I've actually had a number of different jobs. I did sales as well. And I didn't want to put down any family members, but I did put down my name. So check this out. All you do in order to make this thing work, you put in this information and you click submit. And it's going to instantly create a series of emails for you based on Michael's own knowledge. And it's actually going to do it for you right away. It's really, really quite cool. Okay. Check this out. And I actually wrote an email that was customized to who I am. Last time I decided to take a trip to a famous art museum. As I went through the halls, I couldn't help but marvel at the masterpieces. I do love art. I collect art. I actually have a private museum in my home that exists thanks to the fact that I've been able to make a very good living from doing this kind of stuff, doing online marketing. We have a private museum. It's upstairs. When I bought the house, we renovated it heavily. We actually built a room that we call the museum. It's actually dedicated to just my artwork and art and antiques. So we have ancient Egyptian artifacts, of course, a lot of Jewish artifacts. We have a very, very nice glass collection, including Tiffany glass. original Tiffany glass I'm talking about, like from Louis Comfort Tiffany, actually signed by Louis Comfort Tiffany. Really, really just some unbelievable stuff. We have ancient Egyptian artifacts. We have an antique Jewish Bible. Anyway, not important, but bottom line is that I mentioned to the AI that I like museums, and so it simply added that all in for me to this email that it created for me. And this is actually a pretty well-written email, okay? And it's designed to avoid spam filters, so it doesn't use words like money or free or anything like that. It's designed to avoid spam filters. This is very, very well written stuff. And again, this is all done for you instantly using the actual system that Cheney gives you. And by the way, it's not just writing emails. It also creates social media. It also creates movies for you. It also blogs for you. It even creates photographs for you. Okay, all of these things are included for your $9.95 price. Really, this is one of the best things I've ever seen. And I absolutely love this thing. I am shocked that Michael is giving it away for so little. Really, really incredible stuff. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or
That he really hit that out of the park.
not. Yeah, seriously. Okay, Michael, you really did hit this one out of the park. This is absolutely incredible stuff. It's fast. It works really well. Grab this. You're going to love this.